بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will start our revision for the second year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadithi. So as you can see, my dear student, this is a general revision. What do we mean by general revision? You will find information that we learned throughout the year. So in case for any reason you missed any of the classes before, this is a very good chance to catch what you have missed. So this is your book, my dear student. The number of the book is number 1. So make sure you have your book by now, because in the next week we will start revision for the second book. This is book number 1, and these are all the units that we discussed in this semester, and some were in the previous semester. As you can see, we have hello, my school, my family, and our house. Okay, so let's start. By the end of the lesson, inshallah, my dear student, we will revise the letters. Since we completed all the English alphabets, it's a very good chance to revise them today. Also, we will revise numbers. We will have different exercises, and we will be doing math as well. So let's start. As you can see, my dear student, because it's a general revision, I need you to have a notebook so you can write anything you want, or perhaps do the exercises with me. Also, I need you to read the letters, the words, the numbers. As I'll be saying or speaking the words, you'll be listening to me and repeat the letter or the number after me. Let's start with the numbers, my dear student. What do I mean by numbers? Why numbers are important? As you can see here, I have all the numbers starting from number 1 till number 20. I know you can say them by now on your own, but let me say it first, repeat them after me, and then I will ask you to repeat it on your own. So let's start. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, my dear student. Now let's go to the next line. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good, my dear students. So these were the numbers from number 1 to number 20. Now, I will give you perhaps 15 seconds. I need you to say the numbers on your own. Try to say them with someone right next to you, starting from number 1. Go ahead. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's try to count and match. What do I mean by this? As you can see, to your left, I have 2 dices. Okay? To your right, I have the total of these 2 dices. So what I need you to do is add the numbers together and then match it with the answer. As you can see, for example, for the first 2 dices, I have number 5 and number 2. So if I add 5, 5 plus 2 equals, what do you think? You can write the answer in your notebook. 5 plus 2 equals 5 plus 2 equals 7. Very good, my dear students. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now let's go to the next 2 dices. I have 5. 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 equals, what do you think? So let's go ahead and count. 5, 6, 7. The answer is 8. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. How about the next one? I have 2 plus 2. This is an easy one, right? I know you can get this one. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Very good, very good. Excellent. How about the next one? I have 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. The total is 9. Very good. Excellent, my dear student. How about the next one? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And for the last one, I have the total of 3. Very good, my dear student. Now, how about this one? Now, for this one, I will actually give you 20 seconds. Try to write the answers in your notebook. So what I'm going to do is just read the numbers on the dices, try to do the math on your own, and don't forget to write the answers in your notebook, and then I will reveal the answers on the screen. Okay? So for the first, I gave you the first one as an example. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay? And then I have 5 plus 3, 2 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 4 plus 1, and 2 plus 1. So you have 20 seconds. Good luck. Okay, it's time to reveal our answers. Let's start. The first one is 8. Very good. I hope you get this one correctly. Second one, 4. Excellent. Next one, 9. Very good, very good. Next one I have total of 5. And the last one I have is number 3. Number 3. Very good, my dear student. Well done. Now, for this one, I need you to fill in with the missing numbers. As you can see here, I have all the numbers starting from number 1 till number 20, right? But I have missing numbers in between. What I need you to do, again, in your notebook, to go ahead and fill or complete this with the missing numbers. For example, what comes next after number 1 is number 2. So go ahead, try to complete it. I will give you 10 seconds for this one. Okay, let's reveal our answer. So I have number 1, 2, 3, very good, 4, 5, well done, very good, 6, 7, excellent, 8, 9, and then I have 10, well done, very good. Now let's move to the next line. 11, what comes next is number 12, well done, 13, 14, brilliant, 15, 16, excellent, 17, 18, and then I have number 19. Very good, my dear student. Now, here I have the numbers by tens. We discussed this so many times, but this is time to wrap it. Starting from the first one, I have number 10. So each time I'll be adding 10. Okay? So starting from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Now, don't mix this one with this. Don't mix these two numbers in the pronunciation. For example, to your left, I have 15, 14, 17, 16. Okay? While the number to your right is 50. 40, 70, 90. Okay, this is very important. That way you will never mispronounce these two numbers again. Now, as you can see, you know what does this mean? It's writing time. As you can see here, write the word. I have all the numbers here, okay? But they are as numbers. I need to write them as words. Very good. Starting from the first one, I have 10. Very good. I have 10. What do I have next? What do I have next, my dear student? 20. Very good. I have 20. Very good. Next, what do I have? I have 30. Excellent. I have 30. Next, 40. Excellent. 40. Don't say 14. Next, I have 50. Very good. Next, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 or 100. Very good, my dear student. Now, here I have all the numbers, starting from number 1 till number 100, right? So, we are not going to read them all, but for example, I'll be circling some numbers and let's read them together. Let's pick some random numbers, okay? For example, let's try to read this number. This is number 42. 42, very good. How about this number? 57. 57, excellent, excellent. How about this one? 63. 63. How about this one? I hope you can see it. 77, very good. How about this one? 82, very good. 82. How about this one? 95. 95, very good. Excellent. Excellent, my dear student. Now, circle the number you hear. Here I have all the numbers, starting from number 1 till number 24. Now, it's different because you will be circling the number you heard me saying, or you'll be writing maybe down the number you hear me say. For example, I need you to write number 11, my dear student. Number 11. Write it down. Number 11. This is number 11. Very good. Excellent, excellent. Now, how about you circle number 9, for example? Circle number 9. Very good. That's number 9. Excellent, my dear student. Now, go ahead and circle number 15. 15. Excellent, excellent. Now, let's pick 23. So, circle or write down number 23. Very good job. Excellent, my dear student. Well done. Now, for this one, it's counting intense activity. As you can see, in the upper part, I have some circles that misses some of the numbers. So what I need you to do is go ahead, help me in your notebook to complete, starting from 0 and then adding more numbers. So I have 10, and then I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Very good. And 100. Very good. Maybe you can go ahead after you're done writing the numbers by tens to copy and trace them several times. Very good job, my dear student. Now, it's time to revise letters. Since we're done with all the English alphabet, starting from the first letter to the last letter, it will be a very good chance to try to remember. Because if any reason you miss any of these letters, so this is your chance. As you can see here, I have all the English alphabets, capital and small. How to write them, the perfect way to write them. So maybe you can take a screenshot for the, so you can follow the arrow and then write the letters on your own. Here are all the letters, and I have a word that starts with each letter. So let's go ahead and read them together. A, apple. B, ball. C, chair. D, door. E, egg. Very good. Let's move to the next line. F, fish. G, girl. H, hat. I, ice. J, jug. K, kite. L, leaf. M, moon. N, net. Very good. Let's go to the next one. O, orange. P, pencil. Q, quilt. R, robot. S, star. T, tap. U, umbrella. V, vase, W, watch, X, X-ray, Y, UU, Z, zeb or zoo, for example. Okay, now what I need you to do, my dear student, is go ahead online and try to find similar one or similar paper as this one, or perhaps using your books to write down all the letters you have in capital or small. For example, my dear student, how to write a letter is very important. Remember to stay between these specific lines for the capital A and for the small a. Same for the next one, B, capital B, small b, C, small c. It's very important to follow the specific lines. That way you will learn how to write your words, your sentences correctly. So, as you can see here, my dear student, all the letters here are capital letters, right? But there are some missing letters, okay? So as you can see, I have A, B. What comes next, my dear student? What comes next? A, B. Very good. C. Remember to complete only with capital letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Very good. G, H. Very good. What comes next is I, J. Very good. So now we completed the first two rows. Let's go to the next one. K, L. Very good. M. What comes next is N, O, P. Q. Very good. R. What comes after R is S. Very good. T, U, V. What comes after V is W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. These are all the English alphabets in capital letter. Now, let's complete them with the small letters, starting with the A till we reach to the last letter, Z. So I have A, B. Remember, we need to complete it with a small letter. So I hope you are writing with me now. So I have A, B, C. Very good. D, E, F. So try to write. Remember to write between the specific lines. Next, I have G, H. Very good. What comes next is I, small I, J, K, and then I have L. Excellent. Next I have M, N, O, P, Q. Excellent. Very good. Well done. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. So now we're done completing with the small alphabets, right? Small alphabets. Now, let's try to have, let's try to match. As you can see here, I have all the capital letters, some of the capital letters, and some of the small letters over there. Let's go ahead and match. So as you can see, I have capital S, capital T, capital U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So what do you think? Where's the small s, my dear student? Where is the small s? Very good. That's small s. Next, I have T. Small t. Very good. U. Small u. Very good. Well done. Next, V. Small v. Excellent. W. Small w. X. Small x. Y. Small y. And the last letter here is letter Z. Small z. Very good. Very good job. How about this one? Starting from A till we reach letter H. I have A, capital A, small a. Very good. B, small b. C, small c. D, small e. small e, F, small f, G, small g, and H, small h. Very good, my dear student. Well done. So you have this in your book, and this is very important. I need you to open your books at page 52. Page 52 is at the end of your book. Book number 1, practice and match. As you can see here, I have all the English alphabets, starting from A till letter Z. And I have all the pictures that were attached to these letters. So what are we going to do? I have some answers here. For example, I have egg, door, x-ray, vase. I have a square, right? But I need to complete with the missing letters. So let's start, for example, with the second picture. I have C. So go ahead and write small c. Next, I have H, hat, small h. Very good. What about the next one? What do you think? The next one will be, it will be L. Very good. Lamb, lamb. Very good. It's a lamb. Then I have door, D for door. How about the next picture? What do you think? It's a fish. Very good. So, an F. We will have F here. Next, I have a picture of, I have a bag. Very good. I have a bag. Small b. Next, I have a key. So, we will be using small k. Next, I have ink. Small I. Very good. We already have S. So, let's go to the next one. What do I have? It's a Z, a zoo. Very good. Next, I have a cup of tea. So, letter T. Very good. Let's go to the third line. I have a picture of a mother. Very good. Small m. Then I have a picture of number 9. Very good. Then I have an umbrella. Small u. Then I have a picture of a rabbit. Small r. Then I have vase. Then I have a picture of a pen. Small p. Then I have a picture of an apple. Excellent. Then I have a picture of a quilt. We'll be using small q. I already have X for X-ray. Then I have U for UU. I have an orange. That will be an O. Then I have a window. That would be a W. I have a glass of juice. And I have the last one is color green. That's small g. Very good. Make sure you have the correct answers in the correct places. Now, as you can see here, I have 3 pictures. Sorry, I have 9 pictures, but 3 letters. All the pictures here have the words that misses one of the letters. Okay, we are only going to use either A, B, or C. Okay. For example, the first picture is a car. So, what is missing here is letter C. Next one I have a cab. Again, it's C. Next one I have ant. What's missing is an A. Very good. Let's go to the next column. I have a cup. C. Bag. B. A ball. B. Very good. Last one. Arrow. A. Book. B. Cat. C. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, choose the correct word. Oh, sorry, letter. So I'll be saying some words, and I need you to circle or try to write down the letter that started with this or that this word started with. The first one I have a cow, a picture of a cow. So which letter do you think we should pick? G, C, R. Cow starts with a C. Very good. Next one I have a fish. It's starting with an F. Very good. Last one I have a kite. Kite starts with a K. It starts with a K. Very good. Also you have this one, my dear student, at page 53. count and write the numbers. As you can see here, this is the upper part. I have 10. I have the word, but I need you to write the number. So, number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good, my dear student. Make sure you are writing the correct numbers as well. I have, this is the lower part of page 53. Hello, Grandpa. How are you today? Grandpa, fine. And you? I am fine too. Now I have some random questions about your grandpa. How old is your grandpa? So you can give me the number or the actual age of your grandfather. For example, I will write he is 75 years old. You can write your own answers. How is he? He is fine. Where is he now? Where is your grandfather now? He is in the living room. Maybe you can say he is in his own house, or any suitable answer will be fine, So let's revise what we have learned in this lesson, my dear student. We revised letters and numbers, and since we are wrapping up our book, we thought that will be a very good chance to remember letters and numbers. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.